Hi, it's Duncan from Common Sense Home. Earlier today we went to a neighbor's and we're picking walnuts. So now we're sorting them for curing for later storage. So right here I'm pulling off the old husks because sometimes they come off clean and sometimes they bring a little bit of the husks with them, so you gotta clean them off. And if you got walnuts that fell off the tree and don't have the husks, one thing you can do is rub it back and forth like so. And then we're putting them, the good nuts that are nice and big, in this tray to cure for storage later. And then the smaller nuts, like these, we give to the chickens and they love them. So, just pulling off husks. Nothing really to it, but just putting them off so you're not dirty when you're cracking them later.
Yeah, how do you feed walnuts to chickens?
You just smash them with a hammer and then toss it to the chickens. They'll eat them, eat the nuts, they'll pick them right out, and even if they eat a little bit of the shell, they'll use the shell as grit, and it's just extra nutrition, and they like them. But that's all there is to it.
Okay, I'm gonna zoom in a little bit here and get a close up of the nuts.
Nut close up.
Da-da-da.
This one's particularly messy because the hole dropped and it was still stuck completely inside the green hole.
That one might even be a nut from last year.
True, maybe. But I'm just gonna give that to the chickens because I'm not sure what shape it's in. But this one is just a little nut that's still inside the husk. As you can see, there's just a perfectly fine nut in there, but that one's so small we're probably just going to give it to the chickens. Take another handful of good nuts, rub them against each other, clean them off, and that gets most of the loose junk off if there is any. If your walnuts are really wet, you might need to let them dry a little bit just as is before you clean them.
Yeah, last year they were so muddy and moldy, it was just gross.
Yeah. Thankfully this year they're not too bad.
A couple dry days before harvest.
Some of these are messy though. I think I'll just give these to the chooks.
Yeah, I think those are end of the season last year.
Mm-hmm.
It is a good idea to wear gloves.
Uh-huh.
Because these will stain your hands.
And don't wear gloves you want perfectly clean either.
Because they will stain the gloves.
Yep.